Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. I know I probably look rough right now, but it's early in the morning. What can we do? Well, it's not even that early. It's 11 o'clock on a Saturday morning. Happy Saturday, guys. I normally don't film on Saturdays, but I've been kind of sluggish all week, so we're going to be productive baddies today. So welcome back to another productive vlog, or this is probably going to be a complete my to-do list vlog, because I've been seeing these videos and I thought I might as well do one of my own since I do like productive vlogs. So I have my little to-do list right here, but I'm going to read it off to you guys. So I have make my bed, which I still have not done yet. Gym/workout. We're gonna go to the gym today, guys. I'm feeling like a workout. I need to get ready, vlog all day, which we're doing now. I need to do my laundry. I need to film a try-on haul, which might go into this video depending how long it is. Get groceries/Amazon Fresh. Already ordered them on Amazon Fresh, so when they get here, I'll give you guys a little grocery haul. And then I have clean and tidy my room if needed, which it's going to be needed. So yeah, that's all that's on my to-do list this far. I might end up adding more. I just can't really think right now. So yeah, let's get started with this video and make my bed. Okay, so I finished making my bed. I always feel like so much more put together when my bed is made. But anyways, let me show you guys today's little gym fit. I'm wearing my New York embroidered crop tee with these gray biker shorts, and I just have a sports bra underneath. And I'm most likely going to wear a jacket because I'm scared of creeps at the gym. But yeah, that's a little workout fit we have today. Okay, so now I'm waiting on my Uber because y'all know your girl can't drive, which I do want to get my license eventually, so I probably need to start practicing. But yeah, I'm not going to bring my camera. I'm going to try to film on my phone if I don't get too nervous, because y'all know how I am vlogging in public. But yeah, I'm going to update you guys when I'm actually at the gym. So I'm back from the gym. I had a good little workout. I look freaking crazy, but yeah, I mainly do like leg workouts and glute workouts, you know, for booty gains. I still haven't developed a workout routine, so hopefully I will in the near future. But anyways, I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything today, and I'm just gonna have leftover pizza from last night because that's what I'm craving, and it's so good. I get Alfredo sauce instead of pizza sauce. And for the toppings, I just get cheese, spinach, and jalapeno peppers, and it's chef's kiss. I love it so much, and it's been my go-to since I've stopped eating meat. I've been loving me some spinach pizza. Yum.
He did it because he loves you.
To be honest, I don't know if I do. I'm so...
So good. Don't be shy, take a bite. Okay, so I'm out the shower and dressed and everything, but I'm going to show you guys the fit after I finish getting ready because I really love the fit. Also made me some coffee because I'm tired. I don't know, I've been so wanting to stay in bed lately. So yeah, I made me some coffee. Now I'm just gonna do my makeup so I can film the try-on haul, but I might end up putting it into this video depending on how long it is. I also just kind of prefer to put it in a vlog just because y'all don't really be messing with my try-on hauls like that, so I might just put it in the vlog. I'm looking down here at this mirror. Guys, I think I'm going to dye my hair. I don't know if I want to tell you guys what color yet, or I should just let it be a surprise, but I'm really tempted to dye it. I think I'm going to get it professionally done. So I've never gotten it professionally done, always did it myself, but I should probably do it professionally this time. So I don't know, I feel like this is an end of an era for me. I don't know, I've just been wanting to change up my style. So yeah, I want to change up my hair as well. My camera is probably gonna die soon, but it's okay. But yeah, all the new clothes that I got, I'm so obsessed with. And like I said in previous vlogs, I think it was my last vlogs, I feel like I'm finally finding my style, and y'all, I'm obsessed. And yeah, I'm excited. I have nowhere to go, but I might just start taking pictures anyways, because I do want to start posting on Instagram again. Okay guys, makeup is done. Let me show you guys my outfit. Seriously, so good. Okay, so let's get into today's fit. This little baby tee is from Mustard Yard Press, and it's a Harry Styles design, and it says, "We're all a little bit gay, aren't we?" And you know, I just thought it was fitting for me and for Pride Month, you know? But okay, so now let's get into these pants because, honey, I'm obsessed. These will be in the try-on haul, so I won't say too much about them, but I'm obsessed. And they're from Shein. So yeah, that's my fit for today, but now let's do some laundry because I will forget. So let's go. Let's go do it. Okay, so now that I put my clothes in the wash, I'm going to do a little try on haul now since I know it's going to take a really long time. So let's just get it out the way. First of all, let me get all the clothes out of my closet. I have a lot, and I'm probably not going to show everything because it's like everywhere in my closet. I need to organize my closet one of these days. Okay, so here they are. Trying to get like a good thumbnail going. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot going on, lots of colors, lots of patterns, and I pretty much love every single thing that I got. But anyways, let's get to trying this on because it's going to take a while. Okay, so we're going to start with what I already have on. I got this beautiful purple cami crop top from I Am Gia, and I'm obsessed with it. It just has Gia embroidered in the middle. I only got one thing from I Am Gia because it's kind of expensive, but it's super cute, so I think I'm going to be shopping there again. And I paired this top with these super cute strappy pants from Shein, and I'm honestly obsessed with them, and they're just flare at the bottom. Excuse the mess on the floor. And it came with a matching top, so I'm going to try that on now. Guys, okay, so this is the matching top, and you can scrunch it with these strings. Kind of hard to show you with one hand, but yeah, you can scrunch it. And like if I wear it, I would probably just like tuck these in. I am in love with this set. Y'all, this is the top I'm trying on next. I'm a little scared, not gonna lie, but let me put it on. Okay, so this is how we're looking. It's a little too like booby for me, but I do think it's cute, very out of my comfort zone, and I kind of tied it weird so you can't really get the full effect. But other than that, she's pretty cute. I like how it looks with my skin tone. Guys, are you kidding? This shirt is literally so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with the cut of it and the color. Y'all know I love me some pink, and it's a cute little halter top. And I'm actually really stepping out of my comfort zone this year with the halter tops because I don't really like my back, but it's whatever. But yeah, this is giving me very Y2K vibes. I think that's the style I'm most obsessed with right now. Plus, I've just been loving a lot of color, so I'm obsessed. Okay guys, we have another set. I've been loving green lately, so I'm obsessed with this. I'd wear a bra with it, but I don't feel like putting one on. But like, I'm obsessed. Yeah, this is how it looks in the back. And I'd pair it with these white little kitten heels. And I think just white accessories overall would look good with this outfit. So I cannot wait to wear this. Okay, so here we have our first dress, and I'm obsessed. And like I said, I've been loving patterns and colors, so this is just like everything. And it's a halter top dress, and yeah, I just love everything about this. Had to tie my hair back. It's getting hot, y'all. Okay, so next up is this little orange crop top. It says, "Stay sweet, stay high." I don't know. Thought it was kind of cute. Then we have this little white tennis skirt type thing, and it needs to be ironed. So yeah, but it's pretty cute. I don't know if I'd wear these two together, but I'm just showing you guys. Okay, so next are these black jeans. They're kind of a moment, you know. I don't have any jeans like these, and they're embroidered on the buttocks. Don't really know what that says, but yeah, and it has this little thing right here. I don't know, I'm obsessed with how these look. And yeah, they're pretty cool. Okay, so next is this little baby tee and it just says Angel. I've been loving baby tees lately and I just thought this was cute. Plus it says my name, so how could I not? Okay, so up next we have these zebra print pants and they're kind of out of my comfort zone, but I've been really into fun items now, like fun clothing items and fun nails. They're flared at the bottom. With these I feel like I'd pair it with like a simple top since it's a lot going on down here. Okay, so next we have this Angel baby tee and it's so cute. I love the whole look of this baby tee. And then I have these like brownish jeans and they're straight legged. These are really comfortable, but I'm not really sure how I feel about them. Okay, so next we have this little halter crop top. I love it. Y'all know pink is my color, so yeah. And then these jeans are from Pretty Little Thing. I love this little outfit together. The only thing is these jeans are like really long. I'll probably have to wear it with like some heels or something because they would just drag. Okay, so next we have this white and yellow crop tank and it's just so cute and it like scrunches on the side. I actually really like this. Okay, so now I have this dress from Princess Polly and I love collars and long sleeves, so I'm just like obsessed with this dress. It's very basic and simple and you can dress this up or dress it down, so I really love this. Here's how the back looks. And I did get more from Princess Polly, but I got this stuff like a while ago, so it's all in my closet somewhere. Okay, so my last and final piece that I'm showing is this dress from Pretty Little Thing. I'm not a fan of it actually. It looked really good on the model, but not on moi. I feel like if I make one wrong move, this mesh part not gonna work out, you know? I did get more from Pretty Little Thing as well, but I got it like a while ago, so it's all in my closet. Okay guys, so my Amazon Fresh order has arrived, so let me give you guys a little grocery haul. Okay, so my groceries came just in time. I just finished the try on haul. I'm very tired. It is 4:55 right now. I'm gonna give you guys a quick grocery haul so I can put these groceries up, and I'm gonna do it in my room because it gets pretty loud in the kitchen. So yeah, we've got 5 bags. Here's 3 and here are the last 2. This one is so heavy. This is fun because I already forgot what I ordered, even though I ordered it this morning. Okay, so I got some bubbly. I don't know if you say bubbly or bubbly, but this is sparkling water. I've been loving sparkling water lately, but I've never tried this brand. The brand I like is Celsius, but I cannot find it anywhere lately, so I'm trying this brand out. This is in the flavor strawberry, so I hope that this is good. But let me reapply my lip gloss because it's been a while. Guys, this is my favorite lip gloss from Audacity Cosmetics, and as you can see, I'm almost out of it. But yeah, I love it so much. But anyways, moving on to the next bag. Got some traditional sweet basil because I've been loving to make pasta since it's quick and easy. And then I got some ground cinnamon because I've been craving French toast lately, so I'm just going to make it one day. Got some more acai superfruit packs because I've been loving acai bowls, and I could never really find it in stores, so I always get it on Amazon. We got some famous seasoned fries, which is the Checkers fries. These are so good. I got some silk almond creamer. This is my favorite creamer, and this is in the flavor vanilla. I got some caramel macchiato coffee because I drink this nearly every day and I'm always running out, so yeah. I got some shredded iceberg lettuce for like sandwiches and stuff like that. Okay, last bag. Okay, I got 2 small avocados for like avocado toast and stuff like that. So yeah, I've only tried avocado toast once, but everyone makes it look so good, so I want to try it again. Okay, and then I just got some strawberries for my acai bowls because they always make it taste fantastic. But okay, that's all that I got for groceries. Let me hurry up and put this stuff up. So it's a couple hours later. It is 7:26 and I'm about to have some more pizza because I still have leftovers. Yeah, it takes me a while to finish pizza by myself, but I always finish it. I honestly love how long it lasts me because I don't have to cook or order out if the pizza lasts me that long. So it's a good thing. Here she is. Okay, we got 3 slices left. Okay, pizza is done. I'm gonna try this bubbly. Okay, so I pretty much did everything. I didn't tidy and clean my room, but it said if needed. So we can get away with that one. But yeah, we completed our to-do list. Go us. By the way, guys, it's Juneteenth, so happy Juneteenth if you're celebrating it. I'm drinking the sparkling water. It's not the best. But yeah, they're doing fireworks if you can hear it. But anyways, I need to get ready for bed. Okay, the PJs are on. We're about to wash our face. I'm using this CeraVe cleanser. If you know any good facial cleansers, leave them down below because I'm always open to try new things. I've been having this for a while. Okay, so we're back with a fresh face. Time to moisturize. Okay, and that's really all that I do. I keep it really simple just because I really don't know what all I'm doing anyways. So, but yeah, we're done. My sister's rushing me out the bathroom, so come along with me to my room. Okay guys, it's the part that we hate the most, the ending of this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I always enjoy hanging out with you guys. And thank you guys for watching this video and sticking around with me and supporting me. I really love and adore each and every one of you guys so much. But today's nice comment shout out would go to Keeping Up with Channy. Hopefully I'm saying it right, but I'm not even sure if I gave you a shout out before, but if I did, you definitely deserve a second one because you comment on every single one of my videos and I just appreciate your support so much, bestie, and I love you so much. But okay, if you made it up to this point in the video, comment down below a rainbow emoji, just because I like to see you watch my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke that only the besties know, so make sure you leave that down below. But okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm probably just gonna watch The Vampire Diaries and call it a night. Love you guys.